In this video, we have our new installation of WordPress on our new server on our new domain. So this site's active. It's a brand new installation. First thing you need to do is go into updates, because even if you're using software to install the new WordPress, there still might be some items that are installed that need to be updated. So just select all and update. It's going to go there, then go back to the dashboard. So this is your dashboard. This shows everything kind of going on with your blog. Shows you how many posts and comments and pages you have, recent activity, comments, different published pages or posts that have been made, and then WordPress news. You can kind of drag that up there and make it. This is all customizable. Really, the first thing to do is go in and customize your site. This is going to show your site over here with a little frame over here that has different options you can change. So the first thing I like to do is just make sure that I have the name down. So we'll enter making a website. And learn how to make a website. That's going to be the name of this website with the short description. So we'll go ahead and save and publish that. And that's just working. So now it's saved. We can go into the website, refresh it, and see that updated. So that's live now. If anybody were to go to this website, they would see that as the title. So we can go ahead and go out by pressing the X in the top left corner. And I just want to give you a quick overview of the menus here. So you have the dashboard, and that's where we got to this page. Post. This is going to show you you can view all the posts that are on this blog, this WordPress blog. You can add a new one. You can edit the categories and edit tags. Media is about pictures and maybe music or multimedia files. You can view all of them, or you can add. Pages. So unlike a post, where a post is tied to a certain time frame when you actually post that blog post, a page should be a static page that stays current based on, so like an About Me page or a Contact Us page, something like that. And here you can view all the pages or add a new one. Comments, pretty self-explanatory. That's where you go and view comments and approve and delete them. Appearance is where everything about the look of the page is changed. So the theme, you can customize it, the widgets, menus, header, and the background, and then also where you can go in and kind of edit the code, which I advise you do not do unless you know a little bit about coding, because you can mess up your site that way. So plugins, these are little tools that kind of add functionality and features to your WordPress blog. Users, you can add users. So say you want to be able to have someone come in and approve comments, or you have a friend that knows how to install a certain plugin and work on it. You can add users, give them certain rights to do certain things, and assign that to them and manage them. Tools, this is kind of import, export, and then there's certain things that are available tools that are rarely used, but they're good. Settings, it's good to go in your settings and play around and view everything. General is going to just have like, let's go look at it. So general is going to be more just general, like the site title and tagline and the web address, email address for the admin, and the time zone. You should go ahead and update that in the format that you would like. Writing is going to be, these are different settings for writing, such as the default category. That's an important one. So say you write a category and you forget to assign a category, that's what it's going to become. Reading, this is the settings for what people will read. I'm not going to get too much into these, I'm just showing you. Discussion, different settings around that. Now, one setting I do think that you should change before you do anything is the customize the permalink setting. For me, from an SEO standpoint, which is search engine optimization, it's important to get those keywords in your URL. So if you name a post, how to make a website, you want that to be something that Google sees very easily. So the way to do that is to select post name. I think that's the best. That's just my opinion. So go down here, select post name, and then it'll be making a .website / the post name will be the URL to any post. And that really helps with your SEO, in my opinion. So we'll go ahead and save that change. Now we're going to go back to the dashboard. And that was a quick overview of your new installation and a little bit of what's going on over here in the sidebar. So next we will go into plugins and your first post and kind of clearing out all these default comments and hello world posts. So please rate and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them. And some of the other viewers might be able to answer them too. So don't be afraid. Just comment. Thank you.